Get your own damn settings. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Stag Voiceover. My name is Neil Glasgow. So today I just wanted to make another quick video because I've actually just got off the phone with someone who's been watching the videos and who's new getting into voiceover, who was looking for a bit of advice, and something came up that I thought, do you know what? A lot of people probably fall into this trap, especially when they're first starting out. And it's copying the settings that you might have seen on a channel like this, which is why I'm very careful not to show you exactly what my settings are. If you're new into voiceover and you're using a DAW, if you're using Reaper or Adobe Audition, and actually you haven't taken the time, not as a critique, but you haven't fully understood exactly what that system can do, what it should do, and most importantly, how that relates to your specific voice. That's a really big thing here, your specific voice. The problem that people are going to come up against, and I'm really going to save you a massive bit of heartache here. If you watch one of my videos and I show you exactly how I do my EQ, and I show you exactly how I do all of my effects, where I roll off the muddy end, where I highlight it, where I move all my dials and knobs, and you do exactly what I do, you're really going to hurt your sound. And unless you've got an exact clone of my voice, please don't. That's not the settings that are going to work for you. They may be very close, but as you can tell, I have a very particular sound. If you are a woman from America and you've got a higher pitch voice, my settings aren't going to work for you. If you're a man with a higher pitch voice, my settings aren't going to work for you. If your voice is not identical to mine, my settings are not going to work for you. What you have to do is learn what works for you. And now you might be sitting there going, how the hell do I do that if I'm not following all these videos? There are things that you can do. You can really learn what your DAW can do if you're using Reaper. Again, the platform itself, Can Enjoy You, has lots of videos there. There are a lot of settings that you can deep dive into, but you can actually engage the services of an audio engineer. And what the audio engineer will do is you record whatever it is you need to record, you save it as a WAV file, and then you send it off to that person. That means that they've got a raw version of your sound. They can then run that through their system, and if you can get someone who's using a similar system to you or the exact system to you, they can then use their years and years of expertise to tell you exactly the settings that you need to use. Now, this may cost you $10 or $50 or $100, whatever it might be. Find the service that really works for you and go through that. You can use platforms like Fiverr, you can engage people through LinkedIn, whatever it is. But if you don't know and you're simply watching the videos and copying exactly what they do, I promise you, you are going to hurt your sound. That's it. That's the bit of advice. That is something that I know so many people do when they're first starting out. And I have this conversation with them every single time it comes up. Don't copy exactly what I do or what anyone else does. I hope this helps. I hope this saves you a lot of pain and effort down the line. Remember, you can absolutely be a voiceover artist. I'll see you in the next video.